So it would be important to take some of these cases to court because actions have to have consequences. That is the only way we stop electoral fraud and attempts at electoral fraud. We have seen a number of cases this year. And unless we put an end to this, it's going to go crescendo.
It's not only double. Some people registered, I don't know. In fact, where is that? Quadruple, triple. Yes. So if you look at all that number, it goes up to 27,000. Because some people don't, not only twice, some 3 times, some 4. I don't know why they would. Because what is going to happen is you can use only one card. Whether you register 5 times, you can just use one.
Talking from the peace building perspective, I want to ask whether we can have another amicable way of resolving this issue. If not, we might end up sending many people to mile 2 out of ignorance.
I mean, what I am appealing to the Commission is to invite all the stakeholders so that we can try and see how to find a way and means of resolving this problem. Because definitely it's a very serious problem. So, I mean, denying 24,000 plus not to register, not only that, taking them to court, definitely, I mean, it's very sad.
Yes, the 24,000, or was it 25,000 of the double registrations, 24,058. It's a lot. But the courts would not just adjudicate on these cases like that. They will look at the merits of the cases for those who go to court. So it would be important to take some of these cases to court because actions have to have consequences. That is the only way we stop electoral fraud and attempts at electoral fraud. We have seen a number of cases this year. And unless we put an end to this, it's going to go crescendo. And that's not something that anybody wants in this country, starting with the IEC. This year, we have given it to you. You did a wonderful job. So we've got to be able to maintain that. And that requires making sure that actions have consequences. People who registered more than once, the courts will adjudicate on the merits of the cases, whether they're entitled to it or not, or whether it's a mistake. So let's not just brush it under the carpet. The Maslaha syndrome has to stop. We have to put an end to fraud and impunity. Thank you very much.
Yeah, with action, depending, that's what I said, there will be dialogue, but this is what the law says. And if what the law says, we go by it. But yet still we will listen to what the stakeholders say. And that's about the cases of the double registration. I think the police, they have said what they wanted to say. Then